Uncovering Ancient Publishing's Secret Ink Recipes. Have you ever wondered how ancient civilizations wrote texts that have survived for thousands of years? Before the printing press, before modern publishing, there were scribes, scrolls, and secret inks. Today, we're uncovering the hidden recipes behind the world's oldest writing, the mysterious art of ancient ink-making. 1. The birth of writing and ink. Around 3000 BCE, humans first began recording knowledge, from temple accounts to royal decrees. But writing on clay tablets had limits. When papyrus and parchment arrived, something new was needed: ink, the liquid that carried ideas across time. Early inks weren't just black liquids. They were complex chemical creations made from natural materials, carefully balanced to endure heat, moisture, and centuries of decay. 2. The Egyptian black ink secret. One of the earliest known inks comes from ancient Egypt. Egyptian scribes made black ink by mixing soot from oil lamps, water, and gum arabic, a sticky resin from the acacia tree. This mixture created a smooth, long-lasting ink, perfect for writing on papyrus scrolls. But Egyptians also loved color. They produced red ink from ochre, a natural earth pigment, often used to highlight divine names or titles of pharaohs. 3. China's mastery. The ink stick tradition. Meanwhile, in ancient China, ink became a sacred art. By the Han Dynasty, Chinese scholars were crafting ink sticks made from soot and animal glue, molded and dried into elegant forms. Before writing, they would grind the stick with water on a stone, creating rich, velvety ink used for calligraphy and early printed texts. Some recipes even included fragrant oils or precious minerals, turning ink-making into both a science and an art. 4. Greco-Roman innovation. The Greeks and Romans improved ink recipes further. Their formula combined iron salts with tannic acid from oak galls, creating the famous iron gall ink. It started as a light gray color but darkened to a deep black as it oxidized on the page. This ink was so durable that medieval monks still used it over 1,000 years later. Some of the oldest surviving manuscripts, including works of Aristotle and early Christian texts, were written in this very ink. 5. The hidden ingredients. Across cultures, ancient ink makers experimented with astonishing ingredients, like wine, vinegar, honey, lead, copper, and even egg whites. These added texture, preserved the ink, and made colors shine brighter. Some inks were kept secret by temple scribes or royal record keepers, a closely guarded publishing technology of the ancient world. 6. The legacy of ancient ink. What's amazing is that many of these ancient recipes still work. Scientists today, using spectroscopy and chemistry, have reconstructed these inks and discovered that their durability wasn't accidental. Ancient publishers truly understood the science of preservation long before the modern age. Their secret recipes helped humanity preserve laws, literature, medicine, and philosophy, ensuring that ideas could travel across empires and centuries. From soot and gum to digital ink, our story of writing is a story of innovation. The next time you pick up a pen or open an e-book, remember, you're part of a legacy that began with those secret mixtures of soot, resin, and wisdom. Knowledge endures, because ink does. Subscribe for more discoveries in knowledge, culture, and the history of writing.